lot of things went wrong.
Alrighty, it is Stave Lake Day today, boys. Weather is finally good. This is what you call dirt biking.
House so damn high, it feel like sunset to my doorway. Lambo with no top, I hit the gas and watch the road. Made a milli while I sleep, I woke up richer than.
Look at all these blue bikes, man. This is the way you do it. When you see blue, you know you're gonna have a good day. Matter of fact, let me show you this crazy V8 392, fellas. Oh yeah, buddy. This thing is sick. Listen to this thing purr. Ready? Oh, valves. Oh, there we go. This setup is awesome. But yeah, I can't wait. We're gonna go in a few minutes to pick up my buddy Noah and Maddox, and it's gonna be an awesome video. Lots of good riding at Stave.
Chase a check, I wake up, breathe, and watch the bank live. Switching lanes, I'm doing numbers, dancing like a barcode.
What's up, YouTube? We're getting some snacks right now, and then we're about to head to Stave Lake. Got all of our gear ready, and yeah, stay tuned.
Alright, got a Red Bull.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him busting up. Potion in this double cup, liquor got him buttered up.
Run, bud, run.
Not my competition, every track is like I got bubble guts.
Oh,
fast
yeah,
like
buddy.
buckle up. Yo, I need to get a truck, boys. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch.
We at Stave, boys. Oh yeah, ready? Oh yeah. Sponsor me, Red Bull. All the way in Stave. Set up camp here. Jeep looks beautiful as hell. Scenery's sick. The bikes. Look at this guy. Maddox, what do you think of Stave, buddy?
So much fun. I just gotta get beer, you know?
Put life, catch me if you can. Yeah, hey, yeah. 100 gram popping out of rubber.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my
What's
Jeep.
up, guys? Today, this is why
This is my
Amalia
Jeep.
shouldn't start a YouTube channel.
I drove in
and
here
for
all
your
by
own
myself, and we're going to go take this off-roading right now. We're going to drive over there to the water. Because did you know that Jeeps can float?
sake. So, did you know Amalia can't drive?
So did you know that my YouTube channel is going to be bigger than Sohil's?
Did you know you don't even have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, when it's bigger than yours, you'll know about it.
Alright, right now we're gonna be eating some food. After food, we're gonna kick it on the dirt bikes, and we're gonna find my buddy Tyson. He's making his way all the way here. And one of my buddies, Adam, he's gonna be coming in the afternoon with his buddy Chase, and they have trucks, and we're gonna whip it around and drift a bunch. But yeah, it's gonna be so fun. And yeah, Matt.
Turn me up,
GTA! Oh, it's really nice out right now.
Yeah.
So hype. It's plus 20 out.
It's
Raining all week.
This is the first.
Now it's perfect
This is the
temperature.
first actual good weather we've had in Vancouver in like a week or month. A month, but no, like
Yeah, because-
actual hot weather.
Yeah, but last week wasn't that bad.
Whatever, but yeah, it's good.
First spring day.
First spring
Proper
day.
spring day.
Exactly. Okay, hopefully that guy does something with his truck.
yeah, they named emotion, that's my side piece. Cardiac collectors.
Their car broke down. Craziest people here. Yo, let's go down there. You got it. You got it. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. YouTube content. Oh yeah, buddy. That was sick.
All this chicken like Chipotle. Diamonds hitting crazy water bus.
This bike is actually so easy to ride.
Yeah.
The back tire, when I first started riding, it would slide out, and then I would just let it take me. You just have to correct the steering and rev it, and then I'll realign.
Like it, Noah? Oh, it's hella fun. Bro, what? Who invited this guy? He's gonna die. Bro, this guy always gets himself stuck. Going up here all the way in the mountains, this place is awesome. Has mud trails, has dirt trails, and all right, boys, we're all here with the boys. We ditched all the other guys. It's just the guys now. Finally got a trip to Stave. Hey, buddy, he finally arrived, eh? Grab your bike, buddy.
Yeah, uppercut, punches got him busting up. Potion in his double cup, liquor got him busting up. Yeah. On my competition, every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah, turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had to knuckle up. Hey, big bands busting out a duffel. Bloody knuckles from the last scuffle. Putting dogs back on the muzzle. Might have kicked it for a month, we not a couple. Had to shuffle through my plays, you were getting hard to juggle. Hold up, little stubble on my face, I'm getting more mature. Cause some phonies out the squad.
Get in the frame, bro. Listen up here, fellas. So what just happened? We're going on a ride, all chill, and then this guy just blows up his bike, just like it's normal, eh? How many bikes have you blown up? How many bikes?
This would be the second, but this guy was pushing. He's trying to pass me, and got caught letting that slide.
Yeah,
and I
but
blew it out.
clearly his bike was too slow to catch up, so it did bleed.
I mean, 300 two-stroke versus 85 two-stroke.
This guy. This guy. But anyways, this guy, they got a bike in. So hey, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe. Grab this.
I saw him all the way over there.
Maddox, let me see you. Oh my god, bro. Look. He's in the money.
What are you doing? Bro. Loose, so if you loosen it and then tweak it over, it should be fine. I just
Look at this thing. Oh my god. Sadly coming back home. Look at this place. Oh my god. Alright, it's the end of the day. Just had a blast riding with the guys. Got all the bikes here. Sadly, my bike is very flooded. It's all Maddox's fault, but I'm joking. But either way, gave it a good wash. It's not starting, but hopefully tomorrow morning everything dries up and there'll be a better chance of it starting. But yeah, as you can see, got back all the bikes here safe. But holy, we had a crazy day. But yeah, stay tuned for weekly uploads. It was an awesome video. And yeah, see you boys later.